Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Facebook business page name. Changing your business name on Facebook is easy to do. However, don't make unnecessary changes to your Facebook business name. Facebook limits your ability to change your name to only one every 60 days. When making a change, you want to make sure it does not jeopardize how you're currently driving leads. For instance, changing your business name could also affect the unique URL for your Facebook profile. When updating your Facebook name, double-check if other platforms need to be updated to maintain consistency across your online presence. Here's how to do it. Navigate to your business page, then click on the settings icon on the right side. Then under General Page Settings, click on the Edit link next to your page name. Then input the new name and select Review Change. After Facebook verifies your change request, your name will be changed. The verification process doesn't usually take more than a few minutes. Remember, Facebook only allows you to edit your name once every 60 days, and so double check that you've input the correct name before submitting. Under the About section on your page, you can also add other names, which is a good place to enter in former brand names or alternate names and abbreviations for your business. If you don't see the option to edit your page name, the following might be true. First, you don't have a high enough page role to access the modification of your page name. Second, the page name might have been recently altered by you or another individual with Facebook access within the last 60 days. And third, your page may be subject to certain limitations affecting the name changing process. And fourth, it is not possible to modify the name of a regional page if it is associated with a global page. It may take up to 3 days for Facebook to approve your name change request. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.